Welcome back to the vlog. As you can already tell, we got something new for the channel, and by the description I think you guys already know what it is. But before we get started, I want to bring you guys up to date with a couple things. For those of you who don't follow me on Instagram, we have launched some new gear. So one of them are our new air fresheners, which come in 5 different scents. There's fennel, lemon, cedarwood, eucalyptus, and orange cinnamon. If you want one of these, they're $7.50 each. Go to HQ.BMW.official on Instagram, send over a DM, and we can get you guys sent out some as soon as you guys would like. The second thing is hats. HQBMW hats. They are flex fit, so there are no straps. They come in size large to extra large and small to medium. Flat brim, some embroidered stitching on the front left panel. They are $40 Canadian. We will ship out to anywhere in the world, but we'll, as long as you guys are willing to pay for the shipping. So if you go to hq.bmw.official, send a DM. We can also get you hooked up with the hats. So air fresheners and hats are just the beginning, but they're coming along. So now to what you guys probably come to the channel for. A lot of you guys have been commenting on the videos on that I need to get something to help with the stability of the camera, or just the purely of the stability of when I'm walking around at shows. It's a little shaky. I am doing it handheld. I got an email about a month ago that DJI had released a new handheld gimbal. So I thought I was gonna order the 2, but I ended up ordering the latest and greatest, and we have it here for you guys, and we're gonna unbox it, and I'll show you guys all of it as I get it opened. So let's get this sucker opened, and here's to some steady footage coming your guys' way. Alright, let's get this box open. Paperwork. So here we have the OSMO Mobile 3 combo. I ordered the combo that comes with the actual gimbal and a case and a stand, because I'm always forever trying to set the camera on something, or if I need to set it down to use another camera, I can use this. So let's get this unboxed and take a look and see what the product looks like. Okay, so we got a couple packages in here. I imagine this is probably the charger. Okay, so we got strap and a bag. USB cord, some legal mumble jumble, and the tripod. Don't know what those are, but we'll read the instructions. Nice little carrying case. This will be good for whenever I'm traveling and on the road. I can just put everything in the case. And there she is. I gotta say, it's really, really light, which I can appreciate that, because between holding this and the camera or your phone and everything else, it's pretty good. Nice and compact. You got the Osmo 3 charging cord, and that's it. So I think we will we'll get this all charged up, plug it in, and then we can test it out. Here's some instructions up here on how to refold it back up. Okay, so we've got it unboxed. It's got a little bit of power left, but I don't think it's enough. So we're gonna get this plugged in, and we will download the app to our phone, and we will come back as soon as this is done charging. I will bring you guys back, and we will go over on my initial impressions. So we got this all set up. It was just updating, and now we have it working. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use this camera and do some B-roll of Quinn just as a test, and then I will use the Osmo 3 and put up the footage with both different cameras, and then you guys comment below what you think looks better. Does the Sony 6500 with me doing handhold better, or is the Osmo 3 gonna be better with the iPhone 8 Plus? So those are the two cameras that we're using. We'll do the side-by-side test, and drop a comment of what you guys think looks better. So there you go, guys. let me know in the comments below what you think is better. Hopefully that helps with the video quality of walking around the shows and not being so shaky and jittery, because I can't stand it either. So much better footage, easier for you guys to watch, much nicer to enjoy. We also have some oil slick HQBMW stickers that I can send out to you guys if you drop me a DM on my Instagram, HQ_BMW. Drop me a message and I'll get you some of the oil slick stickers out to you guys. Here's what they look like. We are right in the middle of working on all the Royal Rally graphics. That's in a couple weeks, so we're getting all that wrapped up and getting weeded and done and ready to go. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.